If you want to achieve maximum results and earnings from Instagram affiliate marketing, create an Instagram theme page focused on one specific niche. Promote various programs, products, or services related to this niche on your profile, and you will see success firsthand on the Instagram platform. Mr. Minato will provide you with a complete guide in this video, covering everything from creating an Instagram theme page and setting it up professionally, finding the best programs and products to join and promote, creating viral short videos to engage people, building a high-quality landing page with affiliate links to generate daily sales, and finally, sharing the videos and patiently waiting for results. Let's get started. Step 1. Create and set up an Instagram theme page. Go to Instagram and open a new account by providing your information, including your email, full name, username, and password. Once you have created your account, it's essential to prepare it properly. But before doing that, you must choose a niche that has a high demand. The higher the demand for the niche, the greater the chances of success for your Instagram page. Some of the best niches to consider are 1. Make money online. You can share methods, strategies, and tips to help people make money online. There are numerous affiliate programs related to this niche that you can promote. 2. Motivation. You can attract millions of views by sharing motivational content, and it's relatively easy to create using AI. You can generate hundreds or even thousands of motivational clips in minutes. 3. Health and fitness. This niche is in high demand, especially on Instagram. If you leverage it correctly, you can potentially earn thousands of dollars per month by promoting fitness and health products. Alternatively, you can choose trending topics like AI, which is one of the best fields to start in right now. It has the potential to drive rapid growth on Instagram and generate substantial profits through affiliate marketing. Personally, I've selected AI for my Instagram theme page, and I will begin working on it today. You need to create a suitable logo for your page, and here are 3 solutions to consider. 1. Design it yourself. You can use Canva to design your logo. It's a user-friendly platform, and I recommend creating a design that reflects the theme of your chosen field. 2. AI-generated logo. Alternatively, you can explore AI-powered platforms like Leonardo.ai to design an avatar-style logo, similar to my channel's branding. This idea can be excellent for your brand as it will make your page easily recognizable. People will instantly associate the logo with your content. 3. Professional designer on Fiverr. If you prefer a professionally designed logo, visit the Fiverr website. There you can find skilled designers who offer their services at reasonable prices, starting from $5. This option ensures you get a unique and customized logo for your page. Once your logo is ready, you'll also need to choose a name, username, and write a short bio. If you need ideas, you can seek assistance from ChatGPT, which can provide you with various suggestions. I have an Instagram page and I've set up my profile. Here's an example. I dedicated time to using ChatGPT to craft a concise bio with emojis. When visitors land on my page, they should instantly recognize it as a hub for artificial intelligence tools aimed at helping people achieve their financial goals. I also include a compelling call to action to encourage visitors to explore our AI tools and services by clicking on the link. We will, of course, add a link to the landing page, and I'll show you how to create one easily and incorporate affiliate links. Before that, we need to search for AI tools to promote to enhance the content of your Instagram page and provide real value to your followers. Step 2. Search for AI tools to join. If you select any niche, such as cooking, health, or sports, you can visit platforms like ClickBank or Warrior Plus to discover top products for promotion. However, if you opt for the AI niche, you can conduct this search on Futurepedia.io. Futurepedia is a vast collection of AI tools organized into categories such as writing, design, editing, coding, and more. You can find assistance for various tasks. Futurepedia offers a wide array of tools for various purposes. Futurepedia also showcases popular tools and provides information about them, including their costs and user feedback. It's continually updated with new tools, ensuring you have access to the latest technology for your work. After just 2 minutes of searching, I came across an AI tool called Clap. Clap is a powerful AI-driven tool that seamlessly transforms YouTube videos into ready-to-publish viral TikToks, Reels, and Shorts with just one click. Users can simply input a YouTube link or upload a file, and Clap's AI engine extracts the most compelling topics from the video, automatically creating engaging face-focused clips. Dynamic captions are generated to keep viewers engaged, and users can customize various elements like frames, fonts, and colors to align with their branding. Clap revolutionizes video editing by saving users hours of work while helping them effortlessly reach a wider audience. Let's check if this AI tool offers an affiliate program. Indeed, it does have an affiliate program, so we can join it and start promoting it. We click on Become an Affiliate. As you can see, this program offers a 20% commission. If 30 people subscribe to the Clap Pro plan through your link, you will earn $474 per month. Next, I will click on Affiliate Program, enter my name, email, and password, and then click on Sign Up. Fortunately, this program doesn't require you to wait for acceptance. Once you join, you'll be accepted immediately, allowing you to start working right away. After joining, we'll need to activate our email. Upon receiving the confirmation message, I'll click on Click here to confirm your email address. This step will be followed by entering my PayPal information, which will direct me to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you'll find the affiliate link, which can be customized. For instance, I'll add Mr. Minato, and here you'll have access to all the clicks, statistics, and commissions. Simply click on Copy Link and save it here. Now it's time to craft engaging scripts. To achieve this, let's leverage ChatGPT to generate concise Instagram Reel scripts that effectively showcase our AI tool using straightforward language. Utilize the following prompt. Create 5 brief and simple Instagram Reel scripts highlighting this remarkable AI tool. Each script should end with the line, instead of that phrase, instruct viewers to either follow, like, or tap the link in our bio to experience the tool. I will replace this phrase with, click now on the link in the bio to try Clap for free, and then copy all the text from the website and paste it into ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided us with 5 distinct scripts. If you're not satisfied with these scripts, feel free to explore additional information about the tool on other websites and blogs. You can then input that content into GPT to generate unique scripts. I will make some slight modifications to these scripts, and we'll select the best ones from this set to create viral AI videos. After making some minor adjustments, I now have 8 scripts ready for video production. Step 3. Create short viral AI videos. We need a voiceover. Of course, we will use 11 Labs, which is one of the best websites that provide real human voices. You will find a library containing many voices. Choose a distinctive voice, do not change it, and use it in all your videos. I will select this voice and paste the script here, ensuring there are no errors. We click on Generate, then we listen to it to ensure its quality, as occasional problems may occur. Afterward, we download it and the voice is ready. Afterward, visit the v.io website. I typically utilize this site to slightly increase the speed of the audio and eliminate any silent segments. However, we will only make a slight speed adjustment because I've noticed that it's a bit slow. To prevent the listener from becoming bored, we will manually remove the pauses during the editing process since this voiceover is only 15 seconds in length. We will now proceed to upload it in MP3 format. Now we'll enter CapCut, which is one of the easiest and best editing programs available for both mobile devices and computers. First, I'll click on Import to upload the voiceover and add it to the timeline. Then we'll remove any silent areas. Next, I'll add my character. If you don't have a character, you can create one using Leonardo AI for free. If you prefer not to use a character, that's perfectly fine. You can create viral videos without one. Now let's visit the Pexels website to download copyright-free videos, such as those related to nature and landscapes, which we can use as backgrounds for our short videos. Download as many beautiful clips as possible as we'll need them for creating multiple videos. After downloading them, return to CapCut and add the clips. Don't forget to choose the 9:16 ratio for short videos, then resize the clips you've uploaded to cover the entire background. Repeat this process for all other clips. If you want, you can apply a filter to give the video a more appealing color. Next, simply add the character to the bottom of the entire video. Now head over to YouTube to search for demo videos related to the tool we'll be promoting. For instance, I'll search for Clap AI Demo and Review and select one of the videos. Copy the video link and visit the SaveTube website to download the video in high quality. Paste the link here and choose the highest quality available, which is usually 1080p. Now return to CapCut to import the video. Add it above the character at the top. If you don't have a character, you can use the video on its own and resize it slightly. Mute the sound of this uploaded video. If it's a lengthy video, like this one at 3 minutes, you can trim it and keep only the relevant parts. Then add some icons. You can use the Flatcoin website to download free logos for platforms like Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. If you can't find what you need there, Google can also be helpful. Add these logos to the video and apply animations to them. Additionally, CapCut provides a variety of stickers that can be useful. Next, incorporate some sound effects, which can be downloaded for free from the Pixabay website. Trim the end of the video and add an image of your Instagram page to move the picture beautifully like paper. Go to Mask, then Split and set keyframes at the beginning of the image. Hide the image, then advance a bit and set another keyframe to reveal the image. This creates a visually pleasing motion. You can also add the sound of paper at this point. Additionally, add a sticker at the end of the video that says click the link. Finally, the most important element to add to the video is captions. CapCut offers this fantastic feature with just a click of a button. However, these captions will need some modifications. Adjust the font size, style, color, add a stroke, and make sure the text syncs with the audio and video. Cut the captions into shorter sentences to match the timing accurately. After making these adjustments, your video is ready. Upload it with the highest quality available. Now, I'll leave you to enjoy the finished result. Create Reels, Shorts, and TikToks from your YouTube videos in a single click. Clap's AI-powered tool does all the work for you. Customize captions, frames, and more to fit your brand. Try it out now, completely free. Click on the link in the bio to try Clap for free. Step 4. Create a high-quality landing page to include your affiliate links. Now we will create a simple and attractive page through which we will add many affiliate links to our Instagram bio. Go to the Direct Me website and register for free. After that, the website interface will appear. Add a profile picture, which should be the same as your Instagram picture. Then, choose the page theme according to your preferences. The site will provide you with various styles. I prefer the black canvas theme. Now our page can be customized by adding text, files, links, and our social media accounts. Click on text to add text that will appear at the top of this page. I will write, "Boost online productivity with AI tools and services." I crafted this sentence using ChatGPT, a tool I can't do without. Click Done, and you can change the background and add an icon. I'll leave it as it is and click Add. Take a look at how the page looks now. We will proceed to add the first link. Click on link, then paste the affiliate link from the AI tool here and click add. Next, add an attractive title. After a lengthy conversation with ChatGPT, I settled on the title, Turn Videos into Viral Shorts with one click. Let's see how it looks now. I didn't like how one link took up too much space, so I'll go back to it. I'll click on edit, delete the image, and click save. Then click here to add an icon. I'll upload the tool's logo. We can add animation as well. I'll choose, for instance, Pulse. The frame color is white. I'll change it to yellow and you'll see how it becomes much more appealing. Click here, choose item color, select this yellow color, and click save. Additionally, we'll include our social media accounts. I'll add my YouTube channel. Select YouTube, then connect channel. I'll write a short title and link my channel by pasting the channel ID. I'll place my channel at the bottom of this page. You can add several links to this page from here. We are satisfied with this setup for now. To obtain the link to this page, click on copy link. Copy the link, and this is how the page appears on the computer. This is the affiliate link. Clicking it will take you directly to the tool page, and if anyone subscribes to this site, we will receive a commission, specifically 20% of the price of the plan they purchase. To add this link to the Instagram bio, access your Instagram account through your phone. Click on Edit Profile and add the link here. Now take a look at the result. Anyone who visits my profile and clicks on this link will see this page. It looks highly professional, especially on mobile devices, as most Instagram users access the platform through their phones. They will see it like this, with the link to the tool prominently displayed. If they click on it, they will be directed straight to the tool's page. Imagine now if you publish videos and reach 100K views, just think about how much money you could earn. Step 5. Share your content to monetize through affiliate marketing. The final step is to publish the video, and it's quite straightforward. Just click on Create to upload the video. To add a caption, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write an Instagram caption for this, then paste the video script here. In seconds, it will generate a caption with hashtags. Copy everything and add it to the video, then click on Share to publish it. I'll be creating many videos like this about this amazing AI tool and scheduling them. I plan to publish 2 videos every day, one in the morning and one at night, and I won't stop until I see results. You can follow the same steps I've explained, but remember that the results may vary depending on your approach. If you also share posts and stories, your page will grow over time. Focus on providing valuable information to your audience and avoid making all your videos purely promotional. Over time, your efforts will pay off in terms of both quality and revenue. Thank you, my friends, for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please express your support by giving it a like. Remember to subscribe and enable notifications to stay informed about my future content. In this video, we've covered a wide range of topics, from creating and setting up an Instagram theme page to exploring AI tools and crafting short viral AI videos. We've also discussed the process of creating a high-quality landing page that seamlessly integrates your affiliate links, enabling you to monetize through affiliate marketing. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Once again, I appreciate your support, and until next time, take care.